Hey everyone, welcome back to another quick pack attack. Today we're going to be opening a Hidden Fates booster pack. I picked up about 4 of these through a Raichu gift box. So I thought, instead of unboxing the whole Raichu gift box, let's just get right into the booster packs. So we got a code card, and let's get into it. So we got Leaf Energy, Charmeleon, Brock's Grit, Farfetch'd, Jigglypuff, Ekans, Coughing, Cubone, Geodude, and Turtonator GX. Very cool. What a great looking card. And Misty's Water Command Hollow. I'll give a better shot of this. Very cool. Hidden Fates never lets me down. Look, can't get that in any other pack. Thank you guys for watching. Have a great day, and don't forget to like and subscribe.